Hello dear student, I am Rajwan Singh and today I am going to teach you active and passive voice in grammar. So dear student, first of all we will know about the voice and how many types of voice are there, and after that we will know deeply about the active and passive voice. So dear student, if we say any statement, that is called voice, and if the subject is active in the sentence, then that is called active voice. But if the subject is passive and object is active, object is in action, then this is called passive voice. It means in active subject is active and in passive object is active. So let's start. Dear student, here are some example and I will try to make understand you with some examples. See this. Ram sings a song. This is the sentence. Ram sings a song. This sentence is assertive and this is in present indefinite tense. Dear student, before changing passive in passive voice, we have to know about tense very well. If we know the tense, then we can recognize the sentence. But if we don't know about tense, then we cannot change this. So, see this. Ram sings a song. Ram is subject, sings is verb, and a song is object. Subject, verb, and object. So this is in active and this is in present indefinite tense. Then first of all we will change this into negative, interrogative and interrogative with the help of WH word and etc. And then we will change this into passive voice. See this. Ram does not sing a song. This is negative according to tense. Interrogative. Does Ram sing a song? And sign of interrogation. And after that, interrogative. Does Ram not sing a song? And WS word key. Why does Ram sing a song? Question mark. And negative. Why does Ram not sing a song? Why does Ram not sing a song? These are the sentences according to tense. Assertive, and if we say in assertive, this is affirmative. affirmative, this is negative, interrogative, interrogative, interrogative and interrogative. And after this we will change this into passive voice. See, if we change this into negative sentence, then it will change into, first of all we take object, a song, a song. Now we will check this, that this is in singular or plural. If this is in singular we use it, if this is plural we use are, if this is I then we use am. So dear student, a song means singular, so we use is. A song is. And the third form of the verb sing, sing, sang, sung. Third form is sung. A song is sung by, and we add by after that subject, by Ram, because Ram is third person and this is the name, so we will add this through by. A song is sung by Ram. This is your sentence. And after this we will change this into negative. A song is not sung by Ram. This is negative. Now we will change this into interrogative. Is a song sung by Ram? And the next sentence, is a song not sung by Ram? Question mark. And with the help of WH words, we will see this. Why is a song sung by Ram? Why is a song sung by Ram? And the last sentence, why is a song not sung by Ram? Question. Why is a song not sung by Ram? These are the sentences in passive voice. So, dear student, if we apply this rule, then every sentence will be very easy for you. So, see this video and try to understand the step by step things. And see this. If the subject is in plural form and object is also in plural form, he writes many letters. This is your sentence. He writes many letters. Now we will change this. This is object. Many letters. Many letters means this is in plural form. Now we will use are. Many letters are, and the third form of written. Many letters are written by. Now we make the subject are into object by he. Subjective case of he is him. He is subjective case and him is objective case. Objective case of he is him. The sentence will be written as many letters are written by him. This is in passive voice. If here is I, he abuses me. This is the sentence. Now we will change this according this rule. See this. Me is object and the subjective case of me is I. Here we write I and I singular and am is used only for I am and the third form of abuse. I am abused and by and the objective case of him. By him. I am abused by. This is your passive word. And with the help of these rules, we will change the sentences of present indefinite tense into passive words. And you have to do many examples related to these queries. So practice at your home and try to understand better. I think this. Dear student, now we will do some exercises based on this pattern series. C reads a novel. C reads a novel. We will check this. A novel is and the third form of the verb read. Spelling will be same but pronunciation will change. A novel is read by and the objective case of C, that is her. A novel is read by her. Next, you save these trees. See this? You save these trees. These trees. This is in plural form. We use are. These trees are, and the third form of the verb save. These trees are saved by, and the objective for you. See this tree, these trees are shaped by you. This is the passive voice. And dear student, you have to do some examples yourself. And I think this will make clear to you. So revise this, and I think this is enough. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.